All I can say is the AKA banner brought wind to Colorado with a vengeance. And I'm holding Doug's. Has this spar been busted on the top like this? Your downspar's broke. Ew, it's shattered.
Oh, yeah, it's shattered again.
Oh shit. Oh god.
That's the second time for this
It's been the extreme wind, one extreme to the other, and this is the other extreme of Colorado. The normal extreme we get is extreme nothing, and then we get this, and we got the AK banner must have brought us wind. Actually, they told us this was supposed to happen about 2 or 3 days ago. They kept saying every day, oh, high wind warning. Well, finally, I guess they decided to come. Oh, so where are the donkeys playing at tomorrow, Doug? Here or away?
There at Kansas City.
Okay, well, lucky them. Maybe the wind will be in their favor if it goes to Kansas City. I'll have to tell the people at KCKC, wish them luck. Feast or famine, that's right.